Hello and welcome to financialexpress.com. As the World Bank looks set to release its annual ranking of countries in the ease of doing business later this week, India expects to improve its position from last year's 130 out of 189 economies. A senior government official told the Financial Express that the optimism stems from the fact that for a second straight year, India expects its ranking in getting electricity to improve substantially on the back of some remarkable work done by the states. Last year, India was placed at 70 out of 189 countries in getting electricity, compared with 99 in the previous year. The government also believes that its targeted intervention to improve performance in difficult parameters, including dealing with construction permits and enforcing contracts where the country has been faring badly for years, will now start to pay. For more news and updates from the world of business, log on to financialexpress.com.